this is something I've covered. I believe I've covered it in my inner circle, where I speak about the ability to take a YouTube channel and to take YouTube ads and to turn that into a distribution center for your Amazon business. It's super, super cool. And so I believe if you are at all inclined to be doing something like this, it makes a ton of sense to start your own YouTube channel and to start posting videos. And in the videos, for instance, if you were cooking, you would cook with products that you can buy on Amazon. And then in the link below, you would reference the ability to go and purchase those products on Amazon. And they would either be your own products, so if you've got your own products, awesome, or affiliate products, and you can make yourself some money as an affiliate instead. Of course, better to do private label, but in lieu of that, being an affiliate for Amazon's products is brilliant thing to do. One of my consulting clients makes $45,000, or did before I got it in private label, $45,000 a month just from the Amazon affiliate program, because I got her to post links on her videos back to Amazon affiliate program. Anyway, that's a different story then. So it's a really good idea to do it. I think it's fantastic. And two of my favorite people is this one. So Paylin's Kitchen, very, very cool. She does Thai recipes. I love Thai food, so I'm constantly on this watching it. And the other one, because I'm also obsessed with coffee, is the Seattle Coffee Gear Company. And they always link back to either their own products in their own Shopify store or products on Amazon as well. So go check that out. It is an incredibly cool thing to be able to do, because it will not only help you make more money, it will also build a brand for you and your business. And that is not to be underestimated. The process of having yourself as a brand ambassador is a really cool thing to be able to do, and it will create massive trust for you and the products that you're selling as well, which online is super, super cool to do. Super, super cool to do. How do you become an affiliate for Amazon? You want something called the Associate Program, which hopefully I'm not logged into my Associate Program on Amazon. Here you go. So which is at Amazon, which is at affiliate-program.amazon.com. Affiliate-program.amazon.com. Now, it used to be the case, little story here, it used to be the case, send to all, that the associate program was freaking amazing. I remember back in the day making a lot of money as an Amazon affiliate until they changed their affiliate terms of service, and it kind of killed that particular business. But they used to pay 10%. So 10% on a flat screen TV, for instance, which was back then 1,500 quid, was 150 quid. So I could make 150 quid every time I sold a flat screen TV on Amazon. And I sold a lot of flat screen TVs on Amazon. But they changed all that, and it went from 10% down to between 1 and 3%, depending on the product. So kind of killed that. But you can still make money doing this, as long as you don't have to pay for your traffic. If you've got traffic naturally, like you do on YouTube, then you can still make money on Amazon, okay? Like it says, earn up to 10%, but believe me, the things that you can earn 10% on are crap. Most of the good stuff is between 1 and 3%. But anyway, that's where it is. That's how you sign up for it. Super easy to do. You can do it with your email address that you use for your Amazon account. Do not try and sell your own products on Amazon for a commission. You will get caught. You will get your account shut down. Not a good idea. But it's a really cool thing to do. The whole kind of branding yourself that way through a particular thing like that. Super, super cool to do. Screen has gone. Screen is back. Yeah. Okay, cool. So there's that. I would definitely recommend doing that. It's a really cool thing to do. Go for it, Craig. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.